Hello friends. So we're continue to count how many days in school, and today before we do that we're going to read a book. It's called Under the Sea. The title of my book, I have to go to the very beginning, sorry friends. It's Under the Sea 1, 2, 3 an Ocean Counting Book. The author is Strady E. Dills. All kinds of animals live under the sea. Let's count them. Help me count. 1. Remember, this was the number from yesterday. Number 1. It's only a stick. 1 humpback whale jumps out of the ocean. Humpback whales have grooves and bumps on their skin. 2. 2 small crabs sit in the sand. They live in shells. 3. 3 lobsters crawl on the ocean floor. They live near coral reefs. 4. 4 dolphins swim. They talk to each other with clicks and squeaks. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5 sea stars lie on the ocean floor. Each one has 5 arms. These are their arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seahorses float. They use a small fin on their backs to swim. 7 sharks look for food. Gray reef sharks eat fish, crabs, and squids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the number 8. 8 stingrays flap their fins. Their fins give them a flat, round shape. These are called stingrays, and they can really sting really bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 jellyfish float in the water. Jellyfish never stop growing. Some grow as big as a lion. Ooh, so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fish swim in a group called a school. What is your favorite sea animal to count? The end. I hope you like the book and you can tell your parents which one it was your favorite sea animal that we saw in this book. Bye. See you later.